Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE V40 Pro and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now let's take a look at this option bar and tap on this arrow right in the middle. Here we've got the option video quality, so let's simply tap on it. And as you can see, we've got 4 different options, so 4K, FHD, HD and VGA. All you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll pick maybe HD. And as you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, but inside this camera icon, we've got the p-value applied. So right here in HD we've got 720p, and after applying it we've got it inside. If I will set 4K, then the 4K is inside the camera icon, and it means that from now on our device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.